What's up, fam? Today I'm gonna be going over how to do a barbell high row.
And this is the barbell high row. Addressing the hand placement, you want to make sure that they're overhand and about shoulder length apart. And with each rep, the pull should be completely vertical here. At the top of each rep, the elbow should be at a 45-degree angle and behind the back. And the primary target of this exercise, the mid-upper back, or more specifically, the trapezius and the rhomboids. And what not to do. So having a wide grip basically decreases the range of motion and causes a less effective workout. Also, using an underhand grip will cause the engagement of the lats rather than the mid-upper back. And one of my favorite variations to the barbell high row is the dumbbell high row. So this is going to increase the range of motion. However, it does require a little bit more control through the use of the dumbbells. And one more time with that good form in action.
All right, fam, and that's how you do a barbell high row. Until next time.